Slow knocking sound. Network ping. Every system has doors. Some are open, some are closed. Some are hidden. Hackers don't guess. They scan. Welcome to ports.
Oh, IP is a house, that's where it stays. Ports are the doors in different ways. Each number leads to a service inside, where apps and protocols live and reside. 0 to 65,000 range, each one mapped for data exchange. If the port is open, some is there. Service waiting exposed with care. Closed means no one's answering back. Filter means blocked in the stack. But open ports are what hackers see. Potential entry to the system key. Scan the ports, map the doors, find what's running behind the course. Every number tells a storyline. Service, version, design, and sign. Scan the ports, that's the start. Reconnaissance is hacker art. Before you exploit, before attack, know the ports, that's the stack. Port 2021 FTP flow. File transfers moving to and fro. Misconfigured, data exposed, anonymous login, secret disclosed. Port 22 SSH secure, remote login, encrypted and pure. But weak passwords can break that gate. Brute force attacks decide your fate. Port 23, telling it all, no encryption, data sold. Plain text login, easy to see. Sniff the traffic, credentials free. Port 25 SMTP mail, phishing routes where scams prevail. Spam relays and misaligned, attackers abuse what admins left behind. Port 53, DNS call, translating names for systems all, but DNS leaks, so poisoning plague can redirect traffic another way. Port 88 to the P plane, right started talking without domain chain. Port 43, 18 to secure, encrypted traffic, trusted and sure. Port intent, pop receive, email download, users believe. Port 43, aim up, sync, mail across devices in a link. Port 39 and 445, SMB share, Windows file systems everywhere. But vulnerabilities in this space can let attackers own the play. 8-9, RDP control, remote desktop taking its role. If exposed to the public side, attackers brute force till they get inside. Dynamic ports above the line, services changing over time. Custom apps running unknown code, backdoors hidden in quiet mode. Databases listening on special gates. If exposed, attackers escalate. Every open port expands the field. Every service a potential shield or yield. Security isn't closing all, it's knowing which port should stand tall. Least exposure, minimum need. That's how defenders truly lead. Hackers don't start with exploits, they start with information and ports. Or the map, yeah. Scan the ports, read the signs, understand the service line. From SSH to web design, every port reveals the spine. Scan the ports, think before act, recon builds a perfect attack. Because the hacker who knows the doors controls what happens at the core. Every system speaks through its ports. If you learn to listen, you'll understand everything behind it.